Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix window on Dodge Ram. First, detach the door panel by removing screws and clips, then gently pry trim pieces away. Label fasteners as you go so reassembly is simple. Keep all parts organized on a cloth or tray. Test the window mechanism before fully tightening. If the regulator is seized, remove the old unit carefully and compare mounting points on the new part for proper fit. Now I'll walk through removing the glass and regulator step by step in a calm, clear way. Secure glass position with tape or a helper, then remove the mounting bolts that fasten the glass to the regulator. Carefully lift the glass out and store it safely. Disconnect the motor wiring and unbolt the regulator assembly. Remove the old regulator slowly to avoid bending the tracks or damaging the door skin and set it aside. Next is installing the new regulator and reattaching the glass with friendly, clear instructions. Start by loosely bolting the regulator in place and reconnecting the motor wiring. Carefully lower the glass onto the regulator clamps and install the mounting bolts without fully tightening. Cycle the window several times to center and align it, then torque fasteners to specification and reattach the door panel, trim, and any removed weather.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.